It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. So in today's video, we are doing a clean and decorate with me for Valentine's Day. And I like all holidays, including Valentine's Day. So I have a little tiny tote that has Valentine's decorations in it. It's not a lot, but I will show you guys that tote and we'll just decorate a little bit and then clean. There's going to be a lot of dog hair in this video and dust, so Jack is going to attempt to help me, I'm sure. I guess he's tired, y'all. You sleepy, honey? What's wrong? So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys are enjoying the clean and decorate with me videos. I know it's kind of different from what I've been posting, and I haven't done a DIY video in a long time, and I'm not sure that I want to do them as much now. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I have the fire going, and it is going to be a long cleaning video because it is a mess right now. Stuff everywhere. So okay, so here are my Valentine's Day decorations. Like I said, it's just a little tote. There's not a lot in here, but there's enough to work with. So yep, we're gonna go ahead and just use these, and I got a few new ones for this year, so we'll be able to set those out too. First thing I'm doing is just getting rid of all of the clutter on the chairs and on the table, and then I'm gonna take my placemats off the table and then the tray, and then I'm just gonna spray some Windex on the table and then wipe it down. I'm also going to take all of my winter decorations down, and I am actually going to put these trees away too, so we will not be using these for these Valentine's Day decorations. And then I am going to clean the inside of this tray because it is a mirror. After the table dries, I'm going to put my placemats back on, and then I'm going to be using these beautiful decorations that I got from Hobby Lobby a while back. I'm just going to dust them off, and then I'll be using this cute little red heart vase and then these beautiful little flowers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I think that looks super cute. And then I'm going to wipe all of my chairs down because I don't wipe them down every day, so it was time to do that. Then I'm going to start on my shelf in the corner of my dining room, and I'm just taking everything down, and I'm going to dust and put up new Valentine's Day decorations. I'm also just going to dust off these picture frames because they get really dusty. Now I'm going to go ahead and start putting up my Valentine's Day decorations, and I really like these little heart boxes that I just found at the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to use those. And then this cute little love sign that I got from Target a few years ago. And then I also have another cute little Valentine's Day sign that says kiss. And I'm going to put that in front of the picture. And then these cute little felt hearts. And I think that's going to be it. Now I'm moving on to this little corner, and I'm just going to shake this rug out. Normally I would do this outside, but since I'm going to sweep, I figure it'll be fine. Then I'm just going to take all my decorations down, and then I'm going to dust this little shelf, and then I will dust all of my decorations off. Look at these adorable glittery heart plates. I thought they would look so cute on this little shelf, so I'm going to use those. And I tried to put this little pink sparkly heart out, but it just didn't work. So instead I put the cute little True Love plush heart there instead. Moving on to my TV stand, I am just taking everything off and I am dusting my tray, and then I'm going to take this black fur rug thing off, and I don't think I'm going to put it back on for this round of decorations. And then I'm just going to dust the TV and the stand and both of the shelves because it is super dusty. I'm putting my red tray back on here, and then the two little globes, and then I decided to add this little love sign that I had over on the shelves, but it just looks way better over here by the TV. Moving on to the living room, and there is so much clutter that I have to pick up, so I'm just removing a lot of that, including this little entryway table, so that way I can dust everything. I'm just going to take my blankets now and fold them and put them away for now. And then I'm also going to take the pillows off the couch so I can clean it. I'm going to start here on this tray and clean it with Windex. Then I'm going to spray Windex on the ottoman, which I probably shouldn't, but it seems to work. And then I'm going to pat the dust out of it and then just wipe it down. Moving on to my couch, and I am just using leather wipes, and I will just go and wipe the whole thing down. And then I'm just going to put all of the pillows back on and the blankets. Time to sweep, and this is going to get messy, just a warning. The last thing I'm going to clean is underneath my dining room table because it gets really gross with dog hair and dirt. So I'm just taking Windex and wiping all that down. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for the Valentine's Day Decorate and Clean with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was relaxing and motivational. Let me know what you guys thought about it if you want to see more of these videos, because I really do enjoy cleaning. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. Also forgot to mention, look at this adorable blanket that I got from Marshall's. Isn't he the cutest little helper ever?